Okay, now in order to solve these equations, we will prepare a table which we call that as initial feasible solution, where actually no units of x1 and x2 are produced. That means they are zero, you don't produce, and everything is all the material will go as waste. And we have a table, we are presenting that, we call that as initial or basic feasible solution. We will present the entire data in the form of a table. We will see how we are going to present them. So let's see that. And the profit of S1, S2, S3 is 0. That means they are just waste, and we are not, that is not going to generate any revenue. So the profit out of S1, S2, S3 are obviously 0. And we'll see how we are going to present this in the form of table. So here initially we have profit per unit, or product mix, we call the mix. What are the basic variables we are going to take? Then we have Cj value, this the benefit if we sell each unit, what we get, that is provided in the problem. x1, x2, this is s1, s2, s3, and then we have solution variables, solution values, that is small b is equal to xb. So the values what we have got is, we call this as CB, cost or benefit, B. Then here we will take the variables S1, S2, S3. So what it indicates is, when we are not producing anything, that means everything goes as S1, wastage or scrap, surplus, S2, S3. Since S1, S2, S3 have no monetary value or no gain out of that, we will get 0. So we have then S1 value 720, S2 value 780, and it is 320. Entire thing will go as waste. Then the coefficients of that equation, x1 plus 2x2 plus 1s1 in the equation. So in that s2, s3 are absent, so we have put zeros. In the second equation it was 2x1, coefficient of x1 is 2, x2 that is 1x1, no s1 is present, 1 s2 is present, and s3 is absent. So here 1x1, no s1, x2 is also 0, s1 is also 0, s2 is also 0, s3 is 1. So this is what we have done. Now if we multiply with this Cj number, what is the benefit or what is the revenue we are getting is given by Zj, how it will come? 6. This 6, right, into whatever this value we get here. So this value we get is 1 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, so everything it becomes 0. So similarly here also we will get zeros, because all CB values are zeros, we will get zeros only, right? Because this into this plus this into this plus this into this will give us these values. So here we have a value known as, you can write here, net evaluation row, net evaluation row, we call that as Cj minus Zj. This is Cj value, we have 6, Zj value is 0, so we get 6. Then 4, Cj value is there, minus 0 is 4. Then 0 minus 0, this becomes 0, this also becomes 0, this also becomes 0. This we call initial basic feasible solution. In this case we are not producing any units, and simply we are allowing the entire thing to go as scrap, which we represent them through S1, S2, S3 are surplus variables. Examining the numbers in the Cj minus Zj row of table we find that the total profit can be increased by ₹6 for each unit of X1 added to the solution. Similarly, by adding each unit of X2 ₹4 can be increased. That means the profit can increase by 4 rupees. So the positive numbers in Cj minus Zj row, or that net evaluation row, indicates that the solution can be improved. So actually what it means is, once we find Cj minus Zj, Zj indicates the benefit that is happening, Cj is the benefit that can be given by each unit, and that means we have to keep on improving the table till we get the Cj minus Zj value should give us either zeros or all negative values. Till the point of time they give positive values, it indicates that we can further improve the solution by introducing some variable into the solution matrix.